Thank you for considering the purchase of Retired Wells Social Security Planner. This video will show you how to purchase, download, and execute the software on your PC. We begin with our home page. Note that the internet address is https://socialsecurityplanner.site. Please note that the domain suffix is .site, not .com. Our home page contains a general description of our product, as well as numerous reasons why you should use our planner. Our planning tool requires Microsoft Excel 2013 or newer version. If you don't have this software, there is a link at the bottom of the home page to the Microsoft Office 365 website. At the upper right-hand side of the page is a menu labeled Points of Interest. You should review the Terms, Conditions, and Instructions page before purchasing the software. This menu also contains the Shop, Cart, and Checkout links. By selecting Shop, you will see two products displayed: a full version of the software for a purchase price of $10 and a demonstration version that is free. The demo software has the same functionality as the full version, but the name, birth date, and benefit amounts are filled in and locked so that you can preview the software's features before buying. Please download the demo software and try it. When you are comfortable with our software, please come back and buy the full version to calculate your own personal benefits. Whichever version you choose, click the Add to Cart button. Doing this will transfer you to the cart page. If you have a coupon, you could enter it and push the Apply Coupon button. Next, click the Proceed to Checkout button. On the checkout page, enter your name and address. If you want to return to our site later, please check the Create Account and enter a password. At the bottom, you will see a statement highlighted: I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of the website. Check the box. Now click on the PayPal button to open PayPal. Then connect to your PayPal account to pay, or select Pay with debit or credit card, whichever method you prefer. For this example, we will log into PayPal. After PayPal has confirmed payment, Retired Wells website will email you a receipt and transfer you to our receipt page. The receipt page will include a button labeled Download. Next to the Download button, there is a counter which shows the number of remaining downloads and a date field showing the expiration date of the last available download. We have limited the number of downloads to 3 in total over a 4-day period. When the download button is pushed, the first download starts. There are 3 types of internet browsers demonstrated here: Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Google Chrome. Microsoft Edge will generate this pop-up message. Click Save to complete the download. Then open the folder to find the file in File Explorer. When using Firefox, you will get this pop-up. Click Save button and OK button. Then use File Explorer to find the download. If you are using Google Chrome as your browser, you will likely get a warning about a dangerous file. The Planner software is stored in a zip file. The zipped file contains a Microsoft Excel macro. Both of these file types contain executable code and may be flagged as malicious. Ignore these warnings and accept the file. These files are required to make your software work. Once the software is downloaded, choose to open the download directory by selecting Shown in Folder in the download status of the Chrome browser. Doing this will open File Explorer, setting the download directory as the current directory. Regardless of which browser you use, you will need to expand the download directory to show the zip file like it is a directory. Next, select the .xlsm file and drag it to the document directory or another directory of your choosing. However, do not store the file on a cloud drive like OneDrive. The tool makes constant updates and cloud drives can cause problems. Once the file is moved into the Documents directory, double-click on that file. When the tool opens, there will be two possible warning messages. First is Protected View, be careful, files from the internet can contain viruses. Unless you need to edit, it is safer to stay in Protected View, enable editing. Click on the Enable Editing button. The second warning message is Security Warning Macros have been disabled. Enable Content. Click on the Enable Content button. If the version of Microsoft Excel you are using is not compatible with Retired Wells software, you will see a message telling you that. There will also be a link to the Microsoft Office 365 website. I have forced this message to show for the purpose of this demonstration. Once the macros are enabled and you have a valid version of Excel, click on the Macros are Enabled button. This will switch the screen to the activation sheet.